Oh my gosh, we are week 7. Can you believe it, guys? I'm Tammy with Skin by Tammy in Oklahoma City, and I'm here with my case study for the Skin Games 2026. This is week 7. I cannot believe it. In week 1, we started out with a basic overall conversation about her skin concerns and needs and how we thought we could address those. Jump forward to week 2, we talked about what we could do to help with her home care and had some add-ins there. Then we got to week 4 and it all came together. We got to see the improvements in the skin and all the work that we had done from 1 week to week 4. She said that her skin had never been better during her menstrual cycles. So that means that we had a control on the outbreak. So now here we are in week 7. Can you believe it? I cannot. Well, between the home care products we've been having her on and her consistency at home and tweaking those and adding some in and taking some away, the collagen gel we had her on was just not enough hydration, so we had to put her on a lipid moisturizer. Her skin, ironically, is different. Her PCOS, instead of presenting as oily and pustule, hers presents as red, tight, with rosacea and inflammation. So, and cystic. So we have to treat beneath the skin, not, to bring it out to the top. So that's what we've done. And now at week 7, she's come in. The scarring has been minimized. The